has been a little while since I've last been on here vlogging. I quite literally couldn't vlog last month. I actually went through my first surgery, so I was in recovery. I've also been spending a lot of time on book talk TikTok. I have a new book/reading TikTok account. That's my little pride and joy, so if you want to go follow me on there, definitely do. Today is Thursday. I just got done hosting a meeting and I'm working from home today. Tomorrow I do have plans to go out with Abby to dinner, so I'll probably do like a little get ready with me. And then on Sunday, I usually like to reserve my Sundays for like church and cleaning and just getting reset for the week, doing like laundry, making sure my apartment is nice and set up. That way I have like a good state of mind going into the work week. So I already have my coffee and I'm just going to keep working, but today I definitely need to like clean up a little bit. Like, look at the mess I've made. Yeah, I'm excited to be back and vlogging. Sorry I've been MIA. Oh, hello to the cutest girl who have ever existed. How did I get so lucky? How did I get so lucky to have the cutest girl ever here in my apartment? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. It says it's only 77, but it feels like it's 85 degrees in my apartment. I just got done with super long meeting, over an hour. I had my fan off. It got so hot and I just feel like I'm burning up. My air conditioner is broken. I have to like reorder a part for it to fix it. So I'm going to make a smoothie because it is so hot and the smoothie just sounds so refreshing. Oh no. Oops. So good. Just want to like put it on my face. I am done with work, but I'm like so mentally checked out and just like drained right now. I think I'm just going to relax and read for like an hour. I'm currently reading the second book in the Crescent City series, House of Sky and Breath. I am a Sarah J Maas diehard fan. I'm really pissed someone on TikTok spoiled this book for me, and I think it had to be the most epic spoil in the entire Sarah J Maas universe series. So I feel like, yes, I'm trying to enjoy it, but at the same time in the back of my head I'm like really upset and depressed that someone spoiled it for me. Nonetheless, still going to try and enjoy it and not think about the fact that I know it's going to happen at like the very last page of this book, but whatever. I'm genuinely so upset about it. I am currently on page 319. I believe it's like a, I don't know, 800-page book. So I fly through these pretty quickly because it just doesn't feel like reading. It feels like I'm watching a movie going on in my head. So far, I would say A Court of Thorns and Roses and Throne of Glass is still better than the Crescent City so far. I don't know, I just feel like I am more attached to the characters and the plots in those books than I was with this one. And I don't know, again, maybe it just might be because I know it's going to happen in this, which is really disappointing because I don't know, I'm still so upset about it. I literally blocked the person on TikTok who spoiled it for me, and there was like no spoiler warning. It was like a reaction video to something that happened in this, and I'm like, come on. We've got little Soph down there relaxing too. You're so cute. Just feeling so hot and bothered and gross from just like how hot it was in my apartment. I showered really early. I normally don't shower until the evening. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. I am just going to let my hair stay wet and air dry because it feels so good. Just excited to relax because today was a day. I'm done with my work day. I really didn't vlog today because I was like super dialed into work. Like I don't feel like I had time to even like take a breath. I'm going to head to Ulta. I took So for a WALK and right now I'm going to go get gas and head over to Abby's place. We decided to opt out of dinner, like going out for dinner. I think we're just going to like order in and stay at her place, which is totally fine with me. Oh my goodness, you're so loving right now. You're such a loving little girl. Can I have a kiss? Okay, whoa. Yeah, I'm keeping it casual, just wearing some blue leggings from Aerie and this top from Lululemon, which they coincidentally went really well, like the blues. And I think it looks really cute together. I feel like I got a little set going on. Going to head out and I'll be back, my love. So I totally forgot to vlog while I was in Ulta because I was in the zone. I was trying on a million different products, so I am out of my tinted moisturizer. I kind of been wanting to switch it up and try something new. Also, I'm so excited because I've never gotten a pink Ulta bag, and I saw a TikTok of like, they only give it out to the people they like, which is probably not true. Yeah, I've always wanted a pink Ulta bag, and I'm like, when will I be worthy of a pink one? So stupid. But I saw this on TikTok, and apparently this is the best-selling color correcting full coverage cream at Ulta, and I was shocked. I like didn't wear any face makeup into Ulta, that way I could like try it on, and I like rubbed a few different shades on my hand, and I found one that was identical to my skin tone. And I tried it on my face, and it just like, I don't even know if you can tell, but like it just blended in so well with my skin. It's paraben free, which is amazing. I don't use products that have parabens in them. The only thing is it was pretty expensive. It was like 50 bucks, and the tinted moisturizer I normally use is like $25 at Target. So I think I'll save the tinted moisturizer for days where like, I don't know, very minimal coverage, or like, you know, just like want to put something on. I'll save this for days when I'm like going out to a dinner or like going on a date, or I don't know, just like more days when I just want to feel more like put together. I did decide to get my Bare Minerals lipstick. It's the same one I wear all the time. I always try different lipsticks and lip glosses, but I never find one that I like, so I end up sticking with the same one. But I kid you not, I literally wear this lipstick down all the way every time, and I love it so much. I just feel like with tan skin like mine, the best colors, like the best lip colors on me are like bright pinks, like really blushy summertime colors. Like my face does not look good with dark makeup colors. I'm really excited about this. I love that it has SPF in it because your girl's trying to stay out of the sun. Now I'm going to head over to Abby's Not really sure if I'm going to vlog. We're just gonna have like girl time, and I don't know if like she wants to be on camera right now, so probably just keep that on the down low and maybe pick up this vlog tomorrow. Good afternoon. It is Saturday. Did get ready. It is pretty late in the day, but I'm wearing this bodysuit from Free People, these denim shorts from Garage, some really old slides that I've had since college, and I think I'm going to head to the Spectrum over in Irvine just to like walk around, maybe do some shopping. But yeah, I don't have anything planned for today. I was going to clean, but I think I'm going to save that for tomorrow. Gosh, I just got so irritated because I took my clothes out of the dryer just now on my way out, and one of my favorite ever matching workout sets got ruined in the dryer. Like, it got stuck inside like the little filter and it ripped, and I'm so sad because I don't think Aerie sells it anymore, but I might go try and check today to see if they have another similar matching set. Anyway, let's get going. Shredding in my car eating this muffin right now. So good. I literally have 0 friends. Okay, so I just got home. I didn't really get much at the Spectrum. I did buy these cute little tank tops from Cotton On, and I just thought they were so cute. I tried the pink one on in the dressing room, and I don't know, it's just like so feminine and summery, and it has like a little bow in the middle. It's definitely like giving 2005. I feel like I owned shirts like these when I was 5 years old. And then I got a second one. Hi Sophia, that has little blue flowers on it, and it's white, and it also has the little bow in the middle right here. So definitely think these are so cute. It was 2 for $30, so I got both of those. Did get some Amazon packages in that I want to share with you. The first one is a book, The Housemaid. I read this book on my Kindle Unlimited. It was free on there, and you're probably wondering like, why the heck are you buying a hard copy? It's like a trophy. Like, I want to build my own library, and I feel like I love having the books I've read on display. It's like, I don't know, like an accomplishment that I can see all the books that I've read, and I'm just obsessed with like the paper copies. Next thing I got is a case for my Kindle. It is clear, and I also ordered these dark academia stickers off of Amazon, and it came in the pack of like 100, and I already like decorated the back of my Kindle. This isn't the finished result because I still have stickers coming in from Etsy that are like ACOTAR stickers, and then like book specific stickers. So I think one of them says like bookworm, and the other one says like hot girls read books. But I did decorate the back of my Kindle with some of these dark academia stickers, which are so freaking cute. Like, this is so me, with like the teddy bear, the lips, this girl here with like the books, and they had more that were like a little more specific to reading, but I just really loved the vibe and aesthetic of this. But definitely going to lighten it up with some of my bookish stickers that are coming in the mail. And then this is the pack that they came in. It was so cheap. It was like $7 for a pack of 100 stickers. So that's that. And then I also got cocoa floss. It's really thick floss, and it has wood fibers, so it picks up so much more gunk than regular floss. Like, I kid you not, it's expensive. It's like $10 for 1 pack, but it's so worth it. My dental office actually uses it, and I had no idea until I went in for a teeth cleaning, and I'm like, oh, that's the dental floss I use. Really recommend it. It just really makes your mouth feel so much cleaner, and I'm like really huge on dental hygiene, so definitely pick up a pack of these. I think I really need to clean my apartment. The state of my apartment is disgusting. Let me show you. Totally exposing myself. I have my luggage that I haven't even unpacked from when I was in LA. It's not even dirty, like those are all clean clothes. I took out all the dirty clothes from there already. I have like one shoe right here, Sophie's toy. All this junk on my counter, a whole basket of clean laundry that I brought up, and this is the bra that came undone, which I'm so freaking sad about. Like, look at that. Can't even like fix that. So I have a new one coming in that I just purchased off Poshmark. I have like all my shoes laying around, dishes in the sink, my counter is covered in stuff. Yeah, it's just like really gross in here. I need to clean up.